I bought a power strip with 10 outlets, 4 USBs. I'll put down the link below where you guys can check it out if you guys want to get it. The reason I got this is because it has a lot of ports, and I think the one I had before was only 6. So I figured we could install it, put it underneath the desk. I will get another one and actually install it, and I figured we just kind of like do a little short video on it. I tried to get the light underneath the desk and the camera shots. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so we installed the power strip. Actually, it was pretty easy. Use those command strips. I'll also put down the link below for that if you guys want to check these 2 items out. Now, I got a lot more room, so I will clean it up more, put wires and clean the wires up and stuff. I did buy some more twisty ties, but I kind of want to do a little short video on it, just installing stuff. If you guys like these videos, me installing stuff, hit me down in the comments down below and stuff. So if you guys want to check out these 2 products, like I said, I'll put it down in the description where you guys can purchase these. So kind of get the Halloween setup theme. I just love that wallpaper. If you guys want to know, these are Wallpaper Engine from Steam. So if you guys are curious where I got those, so yeah. But alright guys, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Josh Tech Gamer, and I'll check you guys later.